Hey guys, what's going on? Immediate here. So today I have something special to unbox. Two case for the Redmi 5 Plus as well as the OPPO A95. And so without further ado, let's get started. S Gadget Store bag. Very nice. This is the two case I bought from the shop with a very cheap price. One about 6 ringgit each case, and these two cases are same type with bump at the side. Redmi 5 Plus, OPPO A95. So for the A95, it's compatible for the OPPO A74 4G, OPPO A95 4G, OPPO F19 4G. Alright, so here's my phone. Mine is OPPO A95. So let's check out one by one. This is the case. As you can see, it has a scratch. That means I need to remove the stickers from the outside only, but for the inside already been taken out. Very nice, transparent, good quality. Second thing is Redmi 5 Plus. Let's check it out. So here's the case, very nice. Alright, so before I install on my phone, I need to clean it up first. So here's my spray sanitizer, a cloth, and another cloth. So this is my phone. Let's go. Alright, so the case itself already been cleaned up, very clean. Now let's install on my phone. Install at the side first for the volume, and just click like this. Very simple. Look how nice it is. Also, it right on here, OPPO A74 F19 4G. Alright, so here's the result after cleaning everything and install the new case. Wow, it looks very nice. If you really want a simple case, this is the choice. Without a camera protection. So at the back side is fully transparent, just like at the side. And for the side bump is for the protection. It's like this. And for the Redmi 5 Plus, for now I don't have it. I hope I will get it soon. And so, before I end this video, you can give a feedback for this unboxing, two new case for the OPPO A95 and the Redmi 5 Plus in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.